This is Emily Kaszton, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to use Tiffen drone filters. Most people don't realize that there's a drone filter removal tool, and I'm going to show you where it's at. You put the tool on the lens, like so, and turn it counterclockwise. To put it back on, make sure the Tiffen logo is on top, and then place it diagonal before locking into place. The neutral density filters reduce the amount of light that enters the sensor. It provides leeway for you to choose what shutter speed and aperture you want to use when you're trying to capture cinematic shots. The Tiffen ND polarizer is great for cutting down the glare on the water and also adds bright blue contrast to the sky.